how to view your statement on Royal Bank of Canada mobile app. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can view your statements on the Royal Bank of Canada mobile application. So the first thing to do is to ensure that you have the mobile app installed on your mobile device, and then once that is ensured, click on the app to open it up. And then once you open up the app, you'll be taken to the app's interface. Once you're on this interface, next thing for you to do is to scroll down and click on the sign in option. Okay, so once you click on sign in, a box will be displayed asking you to sign in using your username and then your password. Just go ahead, sign in, and once you've signed in and you're on your accounts page, click on the more menu icon by the top right corner of the screen. Once you click on the more menu icon, a box will be displayed. In the box displayed, select statement. All right, once you've selected statement, the list of accounts you have on Royal Bank of Canada will be displayed. Select the account whose statement you want to see. Okay, just select the account. Once you selected the account, all of the statements or the statements that you have with that account will be displayed on your screen. It is that simple. So you can do this for all of the accounts that you have on Royal Bank of Canada. So ensure you have the mobile app installed, open up the mobile app, sign in, select more money and more menu, and select statements, select the account, and then you'll see the statement